Hello everyone. Today we'll quickly learn about the properties and styling of the multi-select widget. You can access the link to the documentation for this widget in the description below. Let's start with dragging the multi-select from the widget's inventory. It allows the user to collect multiple user inputs from a list of options. Similar to a drop-down widget that lets users make a single selection from a range of options. Now let's quickly dive into its properties by inspecting the widget. Label. It is a string value used as the multi-select's label. It should represent the information we want to gather from the user. Let's provide a random text. Now we can see the default label is updated with the new value. Default value. We can select the default values from the set of predefined options. This is used to set the specific values on the page load. For now, let's not update this field. Option values. These are the list of values for different options that are available to select choices. We can either set this field with the sample values or use the query data with dynamic variables to populate the options. You can refer to the documentation to learn more about this. For now, let's use the default value. Option label. It is an array of labels for each of the option values defined above. It is used to display options with specific names. As we can see from the currently available options here, now update this field with the following value, which will be reflected when we click on the drop-down. Enable Select All option. You can provide a new option called Select All in the drop-down if we toggle this property. It is turned off by default. Now clicking on the Select All the options will be selected. We'll revert this to its original state. Events. It allows us to add an onSelect event handler which is triggered when we select an option. Let's quickly create an event handler. Click on Add Event Handler button and enter the message you want to display. Now, on selecting any value, the event will prompt the message. You can explore different actions associated with the event handler as per your requirements. Tooltip. Under the general accordion, you can set the value of a tooltip. Let's try it out by entering the following value. Now when we hover on the widget, we find the tooltip with the assigned value. Layout. Toggle on or off to display the widget in desktop and mobile view. You can programmatically determine the value by clicking on FX to set a Boolean value. Now let's explore the styling of the multi-select widget. Click on the Styles tab to access the following options. Border radius. Change the border radius for the widget. I am providing it with a value of 12. Visibility. Toggle on/off or programmatically set this to control the visibility of the widget. Disable. Toggle to lock the widget. If toggled on, we won't be able to select any value. You can programmatically change both these values. Box shadow. If you're fond of applying box shadow, then you can use this property. Let us expand the panel and set the value for the box shadow. This is what our final multi-select widget looks like. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates.